When you see them, you know summer is just around the corner. Not the out-of-state license plates, rabbits. These furry critters can be spotted munching on lawns and gardens throughout the region. Though rabbits breed quickly and rapidly, it's easy to accidentally disturb their shallow nests. That's when organizations like WildCare step in. And this year, perhaps due to the wacky weather or a change in the number of predators, the center has seen an influx of baby bunnies, which require extremely specialized care.
So we have had 210 rabbits come in this year so far, which is extraordinary, and it's not even July yet. And last year, 2018, we had 131 for the whole year. And I can tell you that 81 of them were brought into us by cats. So cats is a big deal with them, and they do the most destruction. So far for 2019, we've had 31 rabbits that have been brought to us due to cats and 11 from lawnmowers. And they will all increase, and we can keep you filled in by the end of the year.
As people and pets head outdoors to enjoy the warm weather, everyday activities can easily disturb a rabbit nest. Cats and dogs may discover a nest in the backyard, with devastating results. Landscapers doing yard work may also uncover a nest, or a homeowner mowing the grass. Learning to identify what a nest looks like can limit potential disturbances.
Rabbits make nests in areas that you wouldn't think they would be making nests in. They dig little shallow holes, they line it with their fur, they have their babies, they cover them up with dried grasses, and they leave them. So nests will appear to be abandoned, but that's not the case. The mom stays away from the nest. She only feeds them at dawn and at dusk when no one's looking. That's so that predators stay away. So that's kind of an interesting thing, because most nests and mothers don't work that way.
If you do find a nest, when should you contact a wildlife center for help? More often than not, the family will be fine. A simple stick test can help you determine if the babies are truly orphaned and in need of care. However, if a cat was seen near the nest, it's best to seek assistance.
If they find a nest and it's been disturbed by cats, pretty much they should be brought to WildCare, because cat attacks usually, cats have very toxic saliva. So even if the animal doesn't look injured, they have bite marks that you don't see. So they should be brought in. If you find a nest, if you're weed whacking or if you're doing lawn work, and you see a nest there and you don't know if the mother's around, what we ask you to do is to leave them alone. We ask you to take 2 sticks and cover the nest and leave them overnight. And then in the morning when you go look, if the mother has come back, the nest will be disturbed. If it's still like this, then that chances are that they're orphaned and you can bring them into WildCare. If you find bunnies in the yard that are small, like the size of an apple, their eyes are open and their ears are up and they're fluffy, chances are they are all set to be on their own. Sometimes it's hard to make that call, so sometimes we'll go check, or you can bring it in and we can check, but a lot of times they're not orphaned, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Although domestic rabbits can make great pets, wild rabbits do not. The adorable babies become stressed very easily, and handling them or attempting to raise them often ends tragically. Even for professional rehabbers, baby rabbits prove to be very difficult patients. To help these unique critters, learn to identify and protect nests from pets and lawnmowers, and embrace your Cape Cod lawn by limiting pesticide use.
So along with keeping your cats indoors and trying to keep your dogs on a leash and trying to look for the bunny nests when you're going to be doing any kind of landscaping, you can also limit your use of pesticides on your lawn. Cape Cod lawns, the old-fashioned way where you do nothing, is really awesome for the animals.